When you start thinking about creating a Google Ads campaign, one of the questions that you may ask yourself is whether to run the ads campaigns by yourself or hire an agency. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. There are a number of benefits to both running the campaigns yourself or hire someone else, and in this video I will set out some of the pros and cons. Hiring an agency or a freelancer. A digital marketing agency like ours can be particularly useful if you have no prior Google Ads experience, if you don't have the time or confidence to manage campaigns, or if your campaigns have grown in complexity and size and now you need expert help to manage them. The important thing is to choose an agency that learns about your goals, focuses on ROI or return on ad spend, and has a management fee that fits your budget. Hiring someone to manage your Google Ads can free up your time so you can run your business. In-house. Dealing with your Google Ads campaign internally puts your team in direct control of your brand and message. You will be able to communicate almost instantaneously with the team and can be assured that they are solely dedicated to your campaigns. It also saves you the cost of an agency, although you will still have to factor in the salaries of your team or your own time you spend running the campaign. Having said that, in-house teams can lack the dedicated resources and integrated tools that a well-established and experienced agency will have. You may also lack the workflow and optimization techniques to grow your account. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video soon. Bye for now.